Generational causes or family causes is what we are talking about in this video. Generational causes are, or family causes are, those causes that are not affecting only you in your family. It has affected so many others before you, and it's affecting you. And if care is not taken, it's going to affect your yet unborn children. Generational causes can be from your maternal side or your paternal side. That means it can be from your mother or your father. And in some cases, it can be from both. And one of the most serious spiritual problems anybody can have is generational or family curse, because it's very difficult to treat. Hi, this video is going to be generational or family causes. How to destroy these causes, what you can do, how you can go about it, is what we are going to be talking about. We are also going to be talking about the ingredients that we are going to be using. The ingredients are very simple. We are going to be needing 2 ingredients. So, what are these ingredients? Number 1, you are going to be needing sea salt. Sea salt. I'm going to be showing the image for those of us who don't know sea salt. Sea salt. Then we are going to be needing soil or what we call sand. Sand, soil or sand. I'm also going to be showing that. But not just any sand or soil this time. So I don't expect you to run ahead and think you know it. All I want from you is to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you understand how you can go about this. I have done some other videos talking about breaking generational curses. I'm going to be linking that here for you to see. You can watch those after watching this, after finish watching this. I'll also put it in the description so that you can also watch that too. Now, the ingredients are very simple. 1, you are going to be needing sea salt, and we are going to be needing soil or sand, as you call it. I don't know how you call it, soil or sand. And not just any soil or not just any sand. It's going to be a particular type of soil. And you are going to be needing 2 types of sand that you use with it. Now, what are you going to be doing, or how are you going to be preparing this? Simple. We are going to be mixing the sea salt with the sand or the soil. And now, the soil that we're talking about, you are getting 2 types. The first one is the 1 p.m. sand or soil. 1 p.m. sand or 1 p.m. soil. Then you're also going to be getting the 1 a.m. soil or sand. All you need to do is just by 1 p.m., just the sands around you where people passes, just pick some around 1 a.m. exactly and 1 p.m. exactly. Just pick some. You don't need so many. Just pick. Just maybe a handful will do. A handful will do. Just get those. Then by 1 a.m. in the morning, you are going to be getting another 1 handful. So you keep them separately. Now, you are going to be mixing the 2, the 1 p.m. soil and the 1 a.m. soil. You are going to mixing it in a bowl. Just look for a clean bowl, a clean dry bowl. Just with the sea salt that you have, mix them together. Once you mix them together, then get a plastic container or a plastic bottle. Then you pour everything that you mix together into the bottle. Into the bottle. But while preparing it, just be saying all the generational causes or the cause that is troubling you in particular. that has been you have been battling with. And the essence, the spiritual essence of 1 p.m. soil and 1 a.m. soil cannot be discussed in this video. It's a very serious and powerful period. The 1 a.m. and 1 p.m. are powerful. Then the soil itself, very powerful. So we cannot discuss that in this video. But all I want you to do is just follow me as I told you. Just the instruction is what you follow. Mix it together, pour it in a bottle container. Then, what are you going to be doing with it? Before telling you what you are going to be doing with it, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Like this video, then share it to your contacts, your friends, your relatives. You might not know you might be helping someone, because a lot of people are going through this problem. Or maybe before I tell you what to do with it, there are so many types of generational causes. There are different ones troubling different generations and different families. It might be lack of marriage. In some family, they find it difficult to marry until they get to a particular age. And you know, the beautiful thing about marriage is very good when you are very young, between 23, 22, 23, 25, 27. But some people will not get married until they are 50. And you know, marriage by 50 is something else. You might not be getting the right person. You just get anybody. Then it might be that your own is lack of children. In some generational causes, they marry but they never give birth. They never give birth. They will struggle from one person to the other unless they meet a very spiritual person that is powerful that can help them out with this. Another one is that some families they can never be successful. Whatever they do, however they try, the business that others are doing and making serious money, if they try, they will fail. If they work 5 to 9, they will fail. Anything they do be personal business, they will fail. So it's because the generational cause, the family cause is with them and they will never succeed. Some are in their family. You don't have anybody going to higher institution, going to the university, the polytechnic. The best they could have is secondary school. And most of them end up having just primary school in this age and generation because they have family problems, spiritual family problems. Some people might not even be aware unless they sit down and start reflecting, going backward. What happened to my father? What happened to my grandfather? What is happening to me? That is when some of them can get. Generational causes come in different ways. Unless they come across a very powerful spiritual person or spiritualist that can help them with this. And generational causes used to be very difficult to treat. But thank God, there are so many simple things that you can do. And once you start doing it, then the causes, you'll be destroying the causes little by little. And before you know it, everything will clear and it will go away and it will never happen to your own children. God forbid, your parents were poor, you are also poor, and your children might likely be poor. God forbid. So you have to take it very seriously. So, what are we going to be doing with the preparation we have? That is the mixture of our sea salt, the 1 p.m. sand, soil, and the 1 a.m. sand or soil. So, this is what you are going to be doing. You are going to be using this. Once you have the quantity in a bottle container, if you want to take your bath in the morning, or very late at night, just pick the bottle, pour some into your bathing water. Just pour some into your bathing water. Then offer your prayers into that water. Use your hand to mix the mixture with the water and say your prayer exactly as it is troubling you. I cannot say it for you. You know the particular spiritual cause or the generational curse that you are facing. Just do your prayers and go ahead to take your part. You can bat with soap, you can bat with anything, sponge or something, but make sure you have this mixture in your bathing water. And to enjoy an effective use of this mixture, then you have to use it completely for 7 good days. Don't miss it. Make sure you use it every morning for 7 days. And if possible, continue to use it till you finish the one in the bottle. Before you finish the one in the bottle, things will start getting better. And if that one is finished, then you can do another one. Make sure you apply this. Then watch other videos that I'm going to be putting in the descriptions and just let us know. Watch those videos and you can still do some of those things with this one. And I bet you are going to come out victorious. You are going to come out successful because it's a battle. We are now battling this. If you start using it, you start the kind of dreams you have, the kind of breakthrough dreams, the kind of things that have been troubling you. You start dreaming, you start noticing so many, and things will start improving for you. Things will start improving for you. And to top it up, if you want this to now be very, very effective, then you have to start using messy recipes and favor recipes. And if you want to use favor recipe, I would suggest you watch these videos here. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent. And don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.